This is our app WeCare. Whenever the user starts our app, he will see some of the positive affirmations displayed on the screen, as it is said that mental health is not a destination but a process. So, we are starting this process right from our screen. We have provided 4 sections, that is the influence section, relax section, goals section and the journal section. We will explore them one by one. First, we will go to the influence section. Here we have quotes, articles and videos. First, we will see the quotes. These are the sayings by the legendary people in different area of the field like freedom fighter, astronauts, entrepreneurs, etc. Now we will see the articles. Here we have tried to provide some stories by the people who are idols of some of the people who have tackled their problems very efficiently and have become successful in their lives. So the user will get motivated by their stories as they can, even the user can. Like the story of J.K. Rowling. Deepika Padukone. We have Brad Pitt too in our list. Now the videos. Here we have provided some of the videos by the enthusiasts and the motivational speakers like Sandeep Maheshwari.
Manager, how are you?
All good, जी, बहुत अच्छा.
यार मैंने जब पहला लेकिन आपका देखा है जो आपने
We can pause it. We can see one more video.
Sometimes we take life too seriously. Oh no. Make a commitment.
So, this was our first section. Now, we will go to the next. That is the relax section. Here, we have some subcategories. That is music, activities, soothing pictures, speak it out, and healthy diet. First, the music part. Music. It heals wounds that even medicine cannot touch. So, we have tried to provide some audios which will make the user's mind calm and peace.
The purpose of this mindfulness exercise is to simply notice, accept, and be aware of your breath.
We can pause it. We can listen to another audio.
It's not necessarily about relaxation or stress reduction, although
We
this
have
may
to
well
stop
occur.
it first and then we can listen to one more audio. We can pause it, play it and stop it. Coming back, we have some activities too. Here, we have provided some physical as well as some interesting activities. Activity 1, that is meditation. Then, the muscular exercises. Third is the aerobics. Fourth is the yoga section. As we all know, these activities not only will nurture our mental health issues but also solve many of our physical problems too. They will help to focus on our goals and to achieve a good shape and mind. Then, the other activities are: we are suggesting the user to spend time with his or her loved ones, as it is well said that we should always be around happy people and the loved ones. So, even we can be happy. Next is the write it down part. Here, we try to suggest the user to pour out his or her emotions. Next is the massage out stress. Here, we are providing some of the techniques so that he or her can massage the particular areas and feel stress relieved. Next is the dance. As it is said, dancing to music from a happy time and place in our life can trigger positive memories as well as taking off our mind stress. So we should dance. Now we will see some soothing pictures. Nature is very beautiful, so our life too. So by seeing these beautiful nature pictures, we can feel our life beautiful too. Here are some of the pictures of the nature. We can adore it and feel happy. Next is the speak it out part. Here we can record whatever we feel, as it is already said that we always don't have our loved ones around us. So whenever we feel lonely, we can record our audio and play it by listening to that. As we are doing the screen recording, we can't record this audio. So by on the record button, we can record our audio, stop it and play it. We can also see some healthy diet. Here, we have provided some of the food items to the user, so he or her can consume that and feel happy by relieving their stress. We can also know more about these items. Knowing their good effects will help the user to consume them. So, this was our relax section. Going to our next section is the goals. In this section, we have to first log in. I will put one of the login email ID. We will first try to register without a password. It is said that fields are empty, so we have put some validations. We have tried to put some validations in our password too. We will first register this account, then we will go to the login part. As we have successfully logged in, we can see the subcategories, that is health, friends, family, passion, business, spiritual, finance. These are some of the categories that we should achieve our goals into. Then we can view our goals too. We will go to one of the part. Here we can set the reminder also. So whenever the user forgets to achieve that goal, we can alarm it. So we will try to set the date from when I want to achieve that goal and save it. Now I will set some of the goal and add it. So it is added. In spiritual part, here we will try not to put a reminder. So we will see what is displayed and add it. Now, similarly, there are more goals also that the user that wants to achieve can add it and view it. These are my goals which I added. I can also delete them. As it is seen that the date, the reminder which I had set before is displayed. I can delete it. Now, I will go to the journal section. Even here, the login part is necessary, but as I have already logged in the goals section, I don't have to log in again. Here are some of the journals. As it is said that we should always journal or we should have a journal. That journal is our autobiography. We have to write every day what we feel. So first we will go to the gratitude journal. The happiest people make the time to deliberately celebrate gratitude. We should always be thankful for what we have. We will go to the about work part. Here, I can write whatever I am thankful for and save it. We can similarly write in the today part. That is, I am grateful for what I had today. I can talk to myself, as it is said that the best friend of oneself is he himself. This is the guide me part. We have tried to suggest the user some of the topics that he can write on, as there are days that we don't know what to be thankful for. So we have tried to give him some of the topics so that he can write it on. Similarly, there are other journals too. This is the section where I can write about my dreams, my desires, my wishes, and save it. This is the de-stress journal, where similarly I can write it. Now I will view my journal. So here my journal is being displayed. This is the most interesting part, the happy moment part, where I can select an image from a gallery and view it. We will try. This image is being displayed. We will try one more image. The both images are being displayed. So the great times which I capture, I can view them later. Now we will see some additional features. I can also log in from this page too. This is the reminder section where I can remind the user whenever he has forget that he has to achieve some goals, or whenever he feels lazy. So I can remind him that he has to do well in his physical, mental and spiritual life. So he should set a reminder. I will try to set a reminder after 1 minute. This is the feedback part where I can put some feedback. I can send it through Gmail. See, we can see the notification of the reminder which I set now. By feedback, it is necessary for the developer to improve his or her app and know what were the shortcomings. This is the psychiatrist part where we have tried to put all the states and the top psychiatrist of that state. There are some stages at which the user will feel very low and he should try to achieve that energy and release that energy by talking to someone and get some help. So at that time he should meet some professional person like a psychiatrist. So we have tried to provide some of the top psychiatrists that the person can choose. We have also provided the details of them. Similarly, of the other states also, there are the psychiatrists. This is the About Us section where we have provided the gist of our app. So the user gets to know more about our app and explore it very well. This is the emergency button where sometimes the user can get suicidal attempts or he wants help. So here are some helpline numbers provided so he can call out to that numbers and get some help. Now I will try to show the forgot password and the remove account feature. So I will first log out, then go to the goal section. Now I will go to my forgot password, put the same email, and set a new password. Reset successfully. Now I will try to show that what will happen if I log in from my previous password. This was my previous password. So it is displayed that it is the incorrect password. Now I will try to put my new password and log in. So it is successfully logged in. Now I will show the remove account. If I have to remove this account, I have to put my email of which account I want to remove. I will submit this. This account is being removed. Now we will log out from this account.